Sri Gokulam Public School, Chengalpet. Class 6 Computer Science by R. Vasudevan, Computer Teacher. Jai Gurudev. Chapter 1 Fundamentals of Computer. Basics of Computers. Computer. A computer is a programming device with a set of instructions to perform specific tasks. For example, keyboard. If you type any text, it will be displayed in your monitor and generate result as a very high speed. Whatever you type, immediately display on the monitor. If you click in the mouse, immediately in the screen monitor, it will be click. And you can take the printout. If you click the print option, it take printout. Data. Whatever you enter in the keyboard, so it is called as data. For example, all numbers, text, sound, images, animation and video are given input is called as data. Information. Whatever you are getting the output is called as information. Or for example, you are taking the printout and you are seeing the monitor output video or anything, it is called as information. All numbers, text, sound, images, animation and video are called as information. Uses of computers. We can play games, chess, many games are there. If you having internet, there are a lot of games available in the internet. We can download and you can play. We can read the latest news, what are current news updated in the websites. We can watch, for example, Dinamalar, Polymer, NDTV, lot of news channels available in the internet. Live sports scores, cricket's live telecast you can watch in your computer also, and you can live scores also you can update and you can watch. Read the articles, whatever the teachers giving their notes, we can watch in the internet also. For example, Taj Mahal means we can search in the internet and you can get lot of information. And also, even if you can watch TV on your computer. Nowadays, there are a lot of television series, news and all you are watching in the mobile itself. Parts of a computer. There are two parts of computer, hardware and software. Hardware means keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor are called as hardware. Software means Paint software, Microsoft Office are called as software. Hardware, the touching the keyboard, mouse, monitor are called as hardware. We cannot touch, it is called as software. Hardware represent the physical and tangible components of a computer. Example, keyboard, mouse, everything. So that is the component that can be seen and touched. You can touch and you can see it's called as hardware. Following are the examples of hardware parts of the computer. Input devices, keyboard. You can type the text, it is called as keyboard. Mouse, left click, right click. You can click a draw, for example, you can draw anything and you can click and move the objects, it is called as mouse. Joystick you can use for play games. Output devices. You know what are the output devices? Yes, monitor, printer. Monitor, whatever you can type in the keyboard, you can see in the monitor. And also you can watch the movies. Similarly, printer, whatever you can type the text or anything, you can take printout, and photos also you can take printout. Secondary storage device. Hard disk. What is hard disk? Whatever you are typing in the system, all the records will be stored in hard disk. CD means compact disk. The size of the CD is 1 GB. DVD, digital video disc. The capacity of the digital video disc is 4.7 GB. Internal components of computer. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of the computer. Whatever you are typing in the keyboard, it will be stored to the CPU, then display to the monitor. Motherboard and RAM. RAM full form is Random Access Memory. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer about the task to be performed and how these tasks are to be performed. We cannot see, we cannot touch the feeling of the software. There are two types of software: application software, system software. Application software, program designed for a specific purpose. System software, programs that managing the resource and operations of the computer system. Characteristics of computers. There are 8 types of characteristics of computers: automatic, speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, power of, remembering number of IQ, no feelings. Automatic. Most of its algorithm is automatic, and computer is most famous for its automatic characteristics. Speed. Speed is another great characteristics of computer. It can work very fast. A task which humans need a year to complete, the computer only needs a day. Accuracy. A computer can calculate accurately. In fact, this accuracy is the most important reason. That's why it is more popular nowadays in every field. Diligence. This kind of characteristics can be found in all kinds of machines. A computer can work restless. It does not need rest like human or any other animals. Versatility. A computer has a wide range of uses in our life. It can be used for various purposes. Power off. This is one of the most important characteristics of a computer. Day by day, capability of data storage of computer is increasing. Now general size of hard disk is 1 terabyte. Remembering, no IQ. A computer has no IQ. It cannot work by itself without any command given by human beings. Like any machine, computer has no feelings. Like human, computers cannot measure itself whether something right or wrong. Application of computer: communication, home, entertainment, advertisements, sports, education, science and engineering, government and healthcare. Communication. Communication is a way to convey a message or email, chatting, Usenet, FTP, Telnet and video conferencing. Home. Computers have now become an integral part of home equipments also. At home, people use computers to play games, to maintain the home accounts, for communicating with friends and relatives via internet connections, for paying bills like telephone bills, EB bills and so on, for education and learning, etc. Entertainment. Computer also play a very important role in the entertainment of human beings. Nowadays, computers can be used to watch television program on the internet. People can watch movies, listen to music, play games. Advertisements. Computer is a powerful advertising media. Advertisements can be displayed on different websites. Electronic mails can be sent and reviews of your product by different customers can be posted. Sports. A computer can be used to watch a game, view the scores of the game, improve the game, play games like chess, car racing, etc. and also to create games. They are also used for the purpose of training players. Education. For importing education, teaching and research, different kinds of problems quickly and efficiently by using computer. Science and engineering. For performing complex scientific calculation, for designing and making drawing, for simulating and testing the design, complex scientific application, the launch of the rockets, space exploration, etc. Government. Computers play an important role in government services. Some major fields in these categories are budgets, sales tax department, income tax department, computation of male-female ratio, computerization of voter list, computerization of PAN card, weather forecasting and Aadhaar card, so on. Healthcare. Following are some major fields of healthcare in which computers are used. Diagnostic system. Computers are used to collect data and identify the cases of illness. Lab diagnostic system. All tests can be done and the reports are prepared by computer. Patient monitoring system. These are used to check the patient's signs for abnormal such as cardiac arrest, ECG, etc. Pharma information system. Computer is used to check drug labels, expiry dates, harmful code effects, etc. Surgery. Nowadays, computers are also used in performing surgery. How does computer work? Input, process, output. Input, keyboard, scanner, mouse. Process, motherboard, RAM, everything. And output, monitor, printer, speaker. Input. Input is anything you wish to enable in a system for some type of work. A variety of sources are used to input: keyboard, scanner, microphone, mouse, even another computer. Process. The computer processes the input data. It performs some actions on the data by using the instruction or programs given by the user of the data. The action should be an arithmetic or logical calculation, editing, modifying a document, etc. During processing, the data, instructions and the output are stored temporarily in the computer's main memory. Output. The output is the result generated after the processing of data. The output may be in the form of text, sound, image, document, etc. The computer may display the output on a monitor, send output to the printer for printing, play the music as output. Storage. The input data, instructions and output are stored permanently in the secondary storage device like disk or tape. The stored data can be retrieved later whenever needed. Summary. A computer can complete the work of 10 people or more in a fraction of seconds. The hardware needs to be instructed about the task to be performed. Data and users are also the part of a computer system. A computer can calculate accurately. Like any machine, computer has no feelings. A computer is a powerful advertising media. The government uses computer to manage its own operation and also for e-governance. The concept of generating output information from the input data is also referred to as input process output concept. More to know. Data and users are also the part of a computer system. Data are isolated values or raw facts which by themselves do not have much significance. Factopedia. The word computer was first used in a book called The Young Man's Gleanings in 1613. Tip. We can right click on the desktop and click on personalize. Use time. Which was the world's first stored program computer developed in 1948? Thank you.